Hi, today I'm going to show about the Ayurvedic museum in Sri Lanka. This is very special because this is situated in Mayangana, Dambana, the Vedda area. You know, from Colombo, Kandy, and then you can reach to Mayangana. Then from Mayangana city, you can go Ampara Road 20 kilometers. Then you can go to the Dambana. When you go to Dambana, the right side, you can see the very beautiful Ayurveda museum. This is naturally beautiful place, content with the environment. The Ayurveda is the natural healing system. Ayurveda is considered by many scholars to be oldest healing science. In Sanskrit, Ayurveda means the science of life. Ayurvedic knowledge originated in India more than 5,000 years ago. And we call it mother of the healing. It seems from ancient Vedic culture and taught for many thousands of years in an oral tradition from accomplished master to their disciples. Some of this knowledge was set to print a few thousand years ago. Ayurveda places great emphasis on prevention and encourage the maintenance of the health through close attention to balance of one's life. Knowledge of Ayurveda enables one to understand how to create this balance of body, mind and consciousness according to one's own individual situations, and how to make lifestyle change to bring out and maintain this balance. I think this is the only one Ayurvedic museum contact with the nature. Is a very beautiful place. I invite all of you to visit this place, and you can see and you can learn how to use how to extract the medicines from the herbal plant. I invite all of you to visit this place in Dambana. Very nice and very beautiful place, and you can get the good knowledge about the Ayurveda system. The Ayurvedic system came to Sri Lanka from India. It's originated 5,000 years ago in India. It's the oldest medicine treatment system. Sometimes it depends on the mind, the natural healing system. So we think all of medicine, I think, originated. This is the base. Each person has the particular pattern of energy. An individual combination of physical, mental, emotional characteristics that comprise their own constitution. So many factors, both internal and external, act upon to disturb this balance.